Sorry.
You have to do one more.
Okay.
Ready?
It's ready.
Okay. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Me and Ryan are going to ride hoverboards.
Yeah.
Okay, let's ride them.
Yeah.
I'm a robot riding a hoverboard. That was like fun.
Oh.
Ryan, go down.
Yeah.
And we can go fast too with the hoverboards. I bought this hoverboard from Amazon, and Ryan bought his hoverboard from Walmart.
At Walmart from Amazon.
Everybody, let's do the robot dance. Robot dance, robot dance, robot dance, robot dance, robot dance, robot dance. And we can do circles to the hoverboard too.
Bye-bye, guys.
And how to control. Ryan, where do you go? And how to control it, you have to put your feet in front if you want to go straight. Just turn like this. And, that's all.
Okay.
Alright, bye everybody. This is Trustworthy.